everyone, welcome back to Jada's Arts Academy. My name is Mavic Squats. In our last video, you saw how to link an email address and how to open link in a new browser window. And today I'm going to show you how to link a phone number, how to link to a JavaScript code, and finally how to link to another section of the same page. Now, if you've not watched how to link an email address and how to open link in a new browser window, the video's link is in the description below. Without any further ado, we go to the part 2. The first one we're going to do is to link a phone number, and I'll write it here, how to link a phone number. And I'm going to use a number that is, just for the sake of this tutorial, it's not a real number. And we're going to write H2, then AH reference. Now here is the source code to link a phone number. With this source code, you can link 1001 series of phone numbers. And it is tel and colon. That is it. From here on, you can write all the numbers you want and it will link to that phone number. So I'm going to write this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. And then here I can write call us. Then I close it. Then we save it and then refresh. Call us. When I click on it, it tells me this site is trying to open Pick an App. Now, if it were in Chrome, you see do not open. If it were in Chrome, you would see a phone icon over here, and it tells you that do you want to open Pick an App to make a call. Now this, you may be wondering, what is the purpose of this? Now, let's say you created a footer of a website, and then, or maybe in a section of a website, and you write to contact us, call us here. You can just, instead of writing call us here and then having to write the phone number, you can just embed the phone number in here in the H reference and then sum it up as call us. So when the person clicks it, the person will be able to make the call to the number that you've written down. And this is a very useful feature, and because it helps in reducing the chances of having errors when trying to type a number, the person just has to click call us and the person will be able to make the call to whichever number you wrote down there. And the next one I'm going to show you now is how to link to a JavaScript code. Yes, you can link a JavaScript code, and it's not even hard to do so. So we're going to write, we'll use the H3 this time around, and then I write a H reference, then I put Java script, then alert and then I write in here hello world. There, and then after the quotes I add the semicolon. Then I'll write click me. Okay, then we save it and then refresh, and then I see click me. It says, this page says hello world. You can use this feature in your website for a number of things. If you want to, for instance, if you want to just give an important message, you say for more details click here. You say this channel is not, maybe if you're right, you are creating a website about organic things like health matters, and then you want the person to say for more details click here, then you say this page says you can write this channel is not substituting your doctor's prescription, whatever it is that you've written in this place, in this hello world, is what will appear in this place. This page says it writes it. So that is how to write a JavaScript code, and that is how to link it. So to link it, first to link a phone number, we've seen that we have to write tell, then colon, and then the phone number. Then call us, you can write anything other than call us. You can say contact us, whichever it is. Then how to link to JavaScript code, we've seen it is reference JavaScript colon alert hello world. Okay, now you've seen how to link a phone number, and you've also seen how to link a JavaScript code. Now if you want to see how to link to another section of the same page, I created a video that will take you step by step with that, and you'll be able to see how you can link to another section of the same page and how to practicalize it. You can also follow along as the video plays. So far so good. Linking of an email address, we saw how to do it. How to link a phone number, we saw how to do it. How to open link in a new browser, that was also shown. And how to link to JavaScript code is also here. You can see how it is. And now, just to make it a little more interesting, I'm going to add this one. Then I save it quickly and then refresh it. Once I click it, it says, the page says, please like and subscribe. There. So the page has said it, and I'm just going to sum it up in this way. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found value in this video, please make sure to hit the like. And if you want to see more videos from this channel, please make sure to click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell all. In this case, it's the bell black. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions so far, please do not hesitate to ask in the comment section below. In our next video, I'm going to show you another brand new feature that you can add in your website. With that all taken into place, thank you very much once again and have a great day. Bye!